In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello Automation's Butler. If you're looking to save time, reduce repetitive tasks, and keep your Trello boards running smoothly, automations are the way to go. With Trello's Butler feature, you can create custom rules and commands to streamline your workflows effortlessly. Whether you're managing a project, tracking tasks, or organizing your day-to-day activities, these automations can take your productivity to the next level. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your Trello board. This is where all the magic happens. Once your board is open, look for the automation button at the top of the screen and give it a click. If you don't see the automation button right away, don't worry. It might just be hiding in that case. Open the right-hand menu on your board and you'll find automation listed as an option there. Select it and you're all set. Now that you've accessed the automation menu, it's time to choose the type of automation that best fits your workflow needs. Trello provides several options. If you want tasks to run automatically based on specific events, you'll want to use rules. For actions that you need to trigger manually on individual cards, you can use card buttons. Similarly, for actions that apply across the entire board, you can set up board buttons. And if you're looking to automate time-based actions like reminders or due dates, you'll want to explore calendar and due date commands. For this tutorial, let's focus on creating a rule. Click on Rules to begin. The first step in setting up your rule is to define a trigger. This is the event that will activate your automation. For example, you might choose to trigger the rule when a card is moved into the done list. When setting this up, make sure that the name of the list matches exactly with the list on your board. Even small mismatches can cause errors, so double-check your spelling. Once your trigger is set, it's time to define the actions you want the rule to perform. Actions are the results that happen automatically once the trigger is activated. For example, you might want your automation to archive the card, mark the due date as complete, or even add a checklist to the card for follow-up tasks. You can type these commands in plain language like add a checklist follow-up to the card or set the due date to 2 days from now. Trello's Butler will understand and implement these commands for you. If you need to, you can also stack multiple actions into a single rule. This is a great way to streamline complex workflows and save even more time. For instance, you could create a rule that moves a card to the done list, archives it, and sends a notification all at once. When you're happy with your rule and its actions, click Save to activate it. Your rule is now live and ready to work for you. To make sure everything is running as expected, test the rule by performing the trigger action on your board. For example, if your trigger is moving a card to the done list, go ahead and move a card there. Watch as your automation kicks in and performs the actions you've set up. If you need to make adjustments, don't worry. You can edit or disable any rule at any time. Simply return to the automation menu. Find your rule and make the necessary changes. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up and use Trello Automation's Butler to make your workflows faster and easier. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.